Welcome to the Test Kitchen today. I'm Miles Betcha, founder of Mind Muscle Memory, Strength and Nutrition. And today we're going to do a nice grilled sauteed vegetables over salad for lunch. So what I want to do first is going to put the fresh cut vegetables right in the pan, get them stirring up. So we preheat the pan. We get that pan preheated and medium high so that we can just get those vegetables searing a little bit. And in the meantime, just prior to starting here, we put in some third cup balsamic vinegar and some Dijon mustard and mix that up with a little bit of minced garlic to make this nice dressing for our greens. So let me go ahead and give that its final stir and saute those vegetables. And I want to remind you today that we're doing these cut vegetables. It's cut asparagus, zucchini, yellow squash, and red onion with a little bit of fresh rosemary on there because those are the vegetables that help us with our digestive system, help us with our blood sugars. They have a high amount of sticky fiber or soluble gel fiber. And that type of fiber is very beneficial for us to, when we take that sticky fiber in, it sits into our stomach and it creates a gel. And it's very important that we have that gel because we want our foods to sit in our stomach for 60 to 90 minutes. Okay, 60 to 90 minutes of these delicious, fresh cooking vegetables in our stomach means that the gel forms and then it's going to stay there and it's going to reduce our appetite, and then when it's going to go ahead and down into our small intestine, it will then be very evenly digested, and the blood sugars, the sugars that come out of it very slowly will keep our blood sugars nice and level so we don't get a high spike of sugar or we don't drop our sugars too low after we've eaten. So it keeps our blood sugars nice and even for a long time. And that's why, of course, I always recommend that you always have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and possibly a snack in between, depending on how long you spread that out. So let me take the salad greens here, the mixed greens, and put those right in with our balsamic. And we're going to mix those up and coat those nicely so that they have a nice coating of dressing on them. And that way when we put them on the plate and add the grilled vegetables on top, we'll have a delicious lunch salad that's easy to make and very healthy for us. Now, as the vegetables are cooking in the pan, I'm going to stir them. Oh, those smell delicious. Just a light olive oil in the pan, and let those vegetables sear in there for 4 to 5 minutes until you see that they're cooked. It depends on how you cut them. I cut them so they'll cook through in about 4 to 5 minutes. And we also want to think about what kind of protein we'll have with this meal. So what I would suggest is that we can always put some grilled salmon or tilapia, or we could put some grilled chicken on top. But the other thing that we can also do to complement this and to build up, to make sure we have enough protein for this meal, is we can have our almonds. So we can have our dry roasted almonds, and they're going to give us a high level of protein with very little sugar, but a high amount of sticky fiber. Okay? So as we finish up, look at those. There we go. As we finish those cooking, so again, the almonds on the side are an excellent way to complete the meal, give you enough sticky fiber and also enough protein. And we're going to go ahead and use some plates here, put our 2 cups of mixed greens here on each plate. Here we go. There's one plate. And here's the second plate. So you get 2 cups of mixed greens on each plate. And then we'll go ahead and give our our vegetables, one more grill. Look at that, we have a nice grill to that and saute to that. You can also do this, of course, on the regular grill surface, but for lunch here we did it on the saute pan. And then we'll just scoop this right on top of those greens, giving each plate a nice serving of vegetables. We may even have a little left over for later. So there you have it, your grilled vegetable salad for lunch. Thank you very much. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, you can tell others about it and make sure you follow us on our program. Thank you.